G'day, it's John here from Maptek. I'm just going to talk you through a bit about how the data flow between BlastLogic and Eureka has been enhanced so you can update your charge plans and the like based on the latest geological information. So BlastLogic can store downhole data. This can be imported as a CSV or harvested directly from your drill navigation system during the same process already used to gather standard drilling information, including hole location, angle and bearing. Inferred data can also be calculated and imported, such as blastability index. Drilling event data is validated in BlastLogic to ensure it's accurate, while data with low confidence can be disregarded or modified. For example, the validation process includes the ability to apply corrections to collar Z position, which then impacts the apparent starting depth of the measurement while drilling data. This is all accounted for in BlastLogic to ensure consistency between the hole structure and the downhole data. From BlastLogic, you can select a group of holes and create a drill hole database that can be opened in Eureka to assign geological intervals using the downhole data. Complex algorithms can be generated and applied quickly in Eureka, but the nature of measurement while drilling data is that it is noisy data, so a black box approach is difficult to use reliably. The beauty of Eureka is that it provides you the ability to visualize the information and interact with it spatially. This allows you to quickly make modifications to the intervals that were initially assigned by the algorithm. Once geological intervals have been assigned in Eureka, the database can be imported back into BlastLogic. Charge rules can be programmed to recognise and respond according to which intervals are present in which parts of a hole. This provides for extremely fast generation of charge plans, which can be viewed simultaneously in multiple applications using a single perspective, so you can make a visual comparison. Once issued, charge plans are immediately available for use on the BlastLogic tablet, where custom information such as the seam position can be reported. I hope this gives you a bit of an understanding. Please do get in touch with your local Maptek office if you'd like to learn more.